everyone, this is Moses, the one who help you if you're interested to study in Korea. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you how to get your transportation card. So, if you're interested, keep in touch. Guys, as soon as you come to Korea, you have to get your own transportation card. I don't know which country you are watching this video from, but if you want to take public transportation here in Korea, you will need a transportation card. And probably the first time when you will try to ride a bus, you will just find Korean notes, like paying cash, just bringing the wallet near a device in the bus and saying tick, tick, tick. And let me tell you my experience. At first I say that like transportation fee here in Korea is roughly $1, right? I made the research and then took money with me, and then I waited on the line, and when the bus came, I entered, and before me there was Korean and no cash, just the wallet, and then they put near the device in the bus and tick going, and I was in the door. What? I don't have a card. Oh my god, what should I do? Should I go back again? I was so scared. Like, what if they don't take cash? No, don't tell me that I will not ride the bus if I don't have a card. I really had a lot of thought in few seconds, and then I went to the driver and showed them the cash and then say, I have cash. And he said, yeah, just put cash there. And then I put there, and I was like, but it was really embarrassing how I was like, what should I do? But of course, there is any problem if you bring cash in the bus, but when it's your first time and you don't have a card and you don't know what to do, it will be a struggle. So why do Koreans use transportation cards? There are main two reasons. The first one is transfer. Guys, like in Korea, transportation is so convenient that you can transfer from a bus to subway or subway to a bus for free if you only have a transportation card. If you want to take a bus with a transportation card, remember when you enter in the bus to click or to put the card near the device, and when you will arrive at the destination, remember again to put the card on that device, and then when you will take another bus or a subway within 30 minutes, you can get transfer for free and up to 5 times, which is really amazing. And then somehow when you want to travel in different places here in Korea, you will find out that you will have to transfer a lot of time from bus to the subway. So there's no reason why you don't have to get the transfer benefit, because you can also save your transportation expense. The second reason to use a transportation card, using a transportation card, the fee will be cheaper. Of course, it doesn't get a lot of cheaper, but it's like 2 to 3% cheaper. And another thing, it's really comfortable and convenience. If you pay with cash, you will pay cash in the bus, and then you will get some coins, and it will be so heavy in your pocket. And when you want to ride the subway, you have to buy one-way ticket every time you want to ride the subway. It's really uncomfortable. So keep in mind that you have to get your transportation card. There are many places to buy the transportation card. However, the easiest way is to buy it in a convenience store. Guys, here in Korea, there are so many convenience stores, and you can go and enter there and ask them, or ask to the counter, give me a transportation card. If you don't know Korean, remember this. 교통카드. 교통카드 주세요. They will give it to you, and it costs like $2 or $3. So keep that in mind, and when you arrive to the airport, please buy the the transportation card as soon as you will arrive there at a convenience store. You already bought your transportation card and you wonder, how will I charge it? Guys, so easy. You can charge it at a convenience store as well. Just go to the counter, give them 10,000 Korean won, which is $10, and then tell them to charge it for you with the card together. And then if you don't have a chance to go to the convenience store, there are a lot of machines in the subway that can charge it for you. Yes, of course there are postpaid transportation cards. In fact, Koreans who use postpaid transportation cards are more than Koreans who use prepaid transportation cards. However, when you use the postpaid transportation card, it is usually linked with your debit card or credit card. And you don't have to charge it like the one I mentioned in the convenience store. And then just when you are making your bank account or making your debit or credit card, just tell them to add the feature of the transportation card, and then you can use it as easily as that. So guys, today we learned about the transportation cards. How was it? Was it helpful? I don't know where you come from, but when you want to take public transportation here in Korea, you will need a transportation card because it's really essential and very important. So let me end up the video here and see you in the next one.